Good morning, everybody. I'm happy. I feel very great. I thank you all, my fans, for your support, especially during the time of my mother's burial. Understand? I thank you people all. I thank you for your support, for coming through for me. I'm very grateful. I'm very much happy. I'm going for you. This is my father's compound. I'm happy. Moving around. Everywhere was calm, peace, and lovely. There was no much problem during the burial. I really thank God for the successful of the burial. I really thank God. God is great. Odon Gamba Begu. My mother, I have a 75 years, my mother, but there's nothing I can. I thank you, Baba God. I'm very grateful. Amen. Amen. Thank you, people all. Thank you so much for your wonderful coming to celebrate and felicitate with me. Thank you, thank you. May the Chukwu Okike bless you all. Agachukwu na Jana. He said.